Well, it's a ruling that could change Hawaii's political landscape. The Hawaii Supreme Court ruled today the state's Reapportionment Commission plan to reset state political boundaries is constitutionally invalid. And that ruling could create major headaches as we head into election season.
This has been a problem for 30 years.
Dylan Nonaka, the state's Reapportionment Commission, says it was a tough task from the get-go, using the latest census data to draw up political boundaries based on how many permanent residents now live in each area.
But the problem is we don't have data on where those people are. And if you don't know where they are, you can't take them out.
Because the military doesn't give full addresses for active members. And another problem now, says Nonaka, defining what permanent resident actually means.
Right now, the discussion is focused on the military and non-resident students. Right. But what about green card holders or snowbirds that live here 6 months out of the year, or traveling nurses? There's lots of those in the state.
Clearly, the plan that they came up with is unconstitutional.
Attorney Robert Kim represents several Big Island residents, relishing in their success after the state Supreme Court agreed all military here should not be counted, making Hawaii the only state in the nation to do so.
Hawaii is unique. They actually have a constitutional provision that says that you cannot consider that. Because we have such a high amount of military personnel here.
And because of this lawsuit, it will be the first time the military is not counted here. Now that smaller population count on Oahu could result in a shift in Senate and House seats from Oahu to Hawaii County.
There was a lot of reasons that made the data hard to work with, and we had to do the best that we could, and I think that we did, and now we're going to have a hard time redoing that.
Nonaka says he is still hoping the state Supreme Court will better define what they mean by permanent resident and do that sometime soon. The commission doesn't have much time to once again redraw those political boundaries. The deadline for nominations for those planning to run in the November 2012 election is February 1st.